Dear students, today we start the new method variation of parameter. Its general form is d2y upon dx square plus b dy by dx plus qy equals to r. The complete solution of this equation is given by y equals to au plus bv. Here u and v are two parts of CF and a and b. To find a and b, we have u(a1) plus v(b1) equal to 0 and u1(a1) plus v1(b1) equal to r, where a1 denote dA by dx, b1 denote dB by dx, u1 denote du by dx and v1 denote dV by dx. On solving these equations, we have a is equals to integration minus vr upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c1, and b is equals to integration ur upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c2. Put these value in y equals to au plus bv and get answer. To find u and v, using first direct CF method, second homogeneous method, and third by using one part of CF method, and to find another part of CF using formula v is equals to u integration 1 upon u square e raised to the power minus integration p dx into dx. To understand this method, taking some examples. First, solve by variation of parameter d2y upon dx square plus a square y equal to sec ax. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus a square equal to 0, m equal to plus minus iota a. Therefore, its CF is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Let u is equals to cos ax and v equals to sin ax. Now find u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U cos ax dv by dx differentiation of sin a cos ax minus v sin ax differentiation of cos minus a sin ax. On solving, we get a. The complete solution of the differential equation first is y equals to au plus bv. To find a and b, we have u(a1) plus v(b1) equals to 0, u1(a1) plus v1(b1) equals to r. On solving these equations, we get a equals to minus integration vr upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c1. Put the value v is equals to sin ax, r sec ax upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx. This is a minus already sec को हमने लिखा 1 upon cos, sin upon cos, this is tan, और integration of tan is 1 upon a log sec ax plus c1. Similarly, b is equals to integration u r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U equals to cos, r equals to sec, denominator term u dv by dx minus v du by dx, this is a into dx. Cos and sec cancel, integration of 1, this is x upon a plus c2. The complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. Put the value of a and au and bv, we get this answer. Now taking another example, d2y upon dx square plus 4y equal to 4 tan 2x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equal to 0, m equal to plus minus 2 iota. Therefore, its CF is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Let u is equals to cos 2x and v equal to sin 2x. Now u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U cos 2x dv by dx, sin differentiation of sin 2 cos 2x minus sin 2x and differentiation of cos minus 2 sin 2x. On solving, we get 2. The complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. To find a and b, we have these formulas: a equals to this and b equal to this. Now to find a, minus integration v sin 2x r 4 tan 2x upon this term is 2 dx plus c1. 4 upon 2 2, 10 को हमने लिखा sin upon cos, sin into sin sin square को अगेन हमने लिखा 1 minus cos square 2x upon cos 2x. 1 upon cos, this is sec 2x, and cos square upon cos, this is cos 2x. Integration of sec 2x, log sec 2x plus tan 2x divided by 2, or integration of cos 2x, this is sin 2x divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, this is a. Now to find b, integration u cos 2x r 4 tan 2x divided by 2 into dx. 4 upon 2 2, cos 2x sin tan 2x equal to sin 2x upon cos 2x. Cos or cos cancels, integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x upon 2 plus c2. This is b. Complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. A equal to this term and b v. On solving we get this answer. Next question is d square minus 2 dy equal to e raised to the power x sin x. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m equal to 0, m minus 2 equal to 0, m equal to 0 comma 2. Its CF is c1 e raised to the power 0x plus c2 e raised to the power 2x. U equal to e raised to the power 0x, that is 1, v equals to e raised to the power 2x. Now to find u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U 1 dv by dx, differentiation of this term 2 e raised to the power 2x minus v e raised to the power 2x, and du by dx, differentiation of 1, this is 0. Therefore this term is 2 e raised to the power 2x. Complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. To find a and b, we have formula a equals to this term and b equal to this term. V e raised to the power 2x or e raised to the power x sin x upon 2 e raised to the power 2x. E raised to the power 2x, e raised to the power 2x cancel, minus half e raised to the power x sin x dx. Integration of this term using standard formula e raised to the power x upon 1 plus 1 sin x minus cos x plus c1. 2 into 2 4 minus as it is e raised to the power x sin x minus cos x plus c1. This is a. And b is equals to u into r divided by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. U equals to 1, r equals to this term, and u dv by dx minus v du by dx is 2 e raised to the power 2x plus c2. Half e raised to the power x, e raised to the power 2x cancel, we get e raised to the power minus x sin x dx. Again using standard formula e raised to the power minus x upon 1 plus 1 minus sin x minus cos x plus c2, minus common minus e raised to the power minus x upon 4 sin x plus cos x plus c2. Another example is d2y upon dx square minus y is equals to 2 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0, m equal to plus minus 1. CF is equals to c1 e raised to the power x plus c2 e raised to the power minus x. Therefore u equals to e raised to the power x and v equals to e raised to the power minus x. Now u dv by dx minus v du by dx is equal to minus e raised to the power x e raised to the power minus x minus e raised to the power minus x e raised to the power x. U e raised to the power x dv by dx, differentiation of this term is minus e raised to the power minus x minus formula का v e raised to the power minus x or differentiation of u e raised to the power x. This cancels, this again cancel, minus 1 or minus 1 minus 2. Complete solution is y equals to au plus bv. To find a and b using formula a equals to this term minus v is equals to e raised to power minus x r 2 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x divided by minus 2. Minus cancel, 2 cancel. We can write 1 upon e raised to the power x 1 plus e raised to the power x dx plus c1. Now its partial fraction. Direct partial fraction is from this term subtract this term, we get 1 which is numerator term. Therefore डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला इज जिसको माइनस कर रहे हैं उसको फर्स्ट, किसको माइनस किया इस टर्म को, जिसमें से कर रहे हैं उसको सेकंड, किसको किया 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस ई रेज़ टू द पावर एक्स, और क्या कर रहे हैं माइनस 1 upon e raised to the power x, this is e raised to power minus x dx minus 1 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x dx plus c1. Integration of this term e raised to power minus x minus e raised to power minus x minus e raised to the power x common e raised to power minus x plus 1 into dx. e raised to the power x ऊपर ट्रांसफर कर दें e raised to power minus x, this term is equal to t, this term is dt upon t log t. So direct answer is log e raised to power minus x plus 1 plus c1. And b is equals to u r upon u dv by dx minus v du by dx into dx plus c2. u e raised to the power x 2 upon 1 plus e raised to the power x minus 2 dx plus c2. 2 and 2 cancel, minus this term is equal to t, this is dt upon t log t, so minus log e raised to the power x plus 1 plus c2. Put in complete solution y equals to au plus bv and get answer. Thank you.